Hey YOLO gang, what's poppin'? We're out here. We're headed to Wyoming. So, yeah.
Greatest state in the union.
Yes. Hey mom, what's up? You're live. So my mom really likes Pokemon Go, so we're gonna be doing that for a lot of the trip. How do you feel, Connor? You ready?
Yeah, I'm hyped.
Cool.
It's gonna be a good trip.
So we've had our first wildlife sighting. There's a dog in that car over there. The windows are down, so it's fine. But so we're at Old Faithful, and this kid, look at him. He's terrified. He went through. He's scared for his life. Not doing our duty as vloggers, respecting the natural landscape by staying on the trail and admiring the guys from a distance. Oh wow, Connor, genius. Look at that, he almost took his foot off.
We're real vloggers now.
Yes, look at that. We're real vloggers because we nearly, almost defaced a natural landscape. Started snowing.
Yeah.
This is not PogChamp, ladies and gentlemen.
What do you mean? I like the snow. Snow's cool.
Connor is dumb. Don't listen to Connor.
Cope.
Cope. And decapped sign.
Again. No bikes, cigarettes, or dogs on leashes.
So you don't get to be in here. Sorry.
I don't get to be in the vlog?
Yeah, no dogs. We are entering the apocalypse. Are you armed?
I am.
Yes, good. Connor moment. We're out here. Here we are. With this gigantic elk.
If it's out of space, stop vlogging.
We're at a safe distance. My camera's nearly out of space. How do you feel about this experience?
About this experience, I regret coming with you.
Thanks, buddy. How about Mammoth Hot Springs?
Mammoth Hot Springs is pretty nice. I'm enjoying it.
You heard it here first, folks. Pretty nice. He's enjoying it. Commentary YouTubers now. We're gonna be reacting to Flipper Flop Vegas. Okay, so we hate these people already. This is really exciting. I know, but I hated them before, and I hate them now. Connor there installing the beams. The beams. It's a raven. It's a raven. Tell me again how we feel about ravens.
No raven.
No ravens, precisely. Okay, everybody, welcome back to the vlog, and you'll never guess what we just found. An osprey nest. Isn't that cool, Connor? Thank you for the input, counterpart. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, this is pretty cool.
Big.
I would say that is big. That's your commentary, is big? Big.
Oh, if you were to slip and die, you would die.
Thank you. Thank you for your insight, compatriot. Step on that board, Connor. Step on that board. Step on it.
That one?
Yeah. All your weight. Okay, whatever. Connor, reactions on the waterfall now that we're a little closer.
Bigger.
It's bigger? Yes, precisely. It got bigger since we got closer. You got it right. Glad. Hey guys, in true vlogger style, Connor's gonna remove the caution tape. You ready, Connor? You ready?
Oh, look at that.
It's gone. He moved it. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Let's continue to respect every other tourist in this park, okay, Connor?
No. That's a funny prank. We'll get him.
Yeah, let's get him. Connor, what do you say that we go up to that family over there and prank them by respecting them, not bothering them?
That'd be hilarious.
Yeah, we could still get them, bro. Is there even a family over there? Yes, there is. Yeah, let's respect their boundaries and not bother them, and also not film them without their consent. So I'll put a sensor bar over it. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's totally get them. Just for our next prank, we're gonna be respecting this do not enter sign and not entering this area because it might be fragile. It's gonna be lit, babe. Bam, dog. There he is again.
The third time you've fallen in.
There he is. He's falling in so much. I'm surprised he's still living.
Hi,
Okay.
we're vlogging.
Yeah, so it's day 4 in Yellowstone. we're back. I got a shirt that says Yellowstone. Anyway, Connor, do you have anything to say?
This is a spring with better binoculars.
Okay, low gang. Where is it? So we found an eagle.
What is this focused on?
Nothing really. But the eagle is over there. You can see him. He's very far away, but he's kind of in that area. It's very cool. Eagles are very cool. Since read from page 14 of the script.
We don't have a script.
Oh yeah, sorry Pog Squad, this is all real. Yes, we really are this dumb.